Okay, guys, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Not really network. I had a switch of network and it just stopped working. So you need to join back. Why is it that network always attack GS103? And it's the course that you guys don't really know much about. Well, I'll wait for you guys. I'll wait for you guys. All right, good evening, Dora. You're welcome. Sadiq Miriam, you're welcome back. So we need to start it in another form now. Let me try to share the screen. But sorry, there was an issue with my network. I was trying to switch, but YouTube once you switch like this, it just goes off. So okay, my screen is showing now. Goodness. So that is good. I think we are good to go. Once you join, send a greeting. Let's know who is here, and give the video a thumbs up before you open the chat. It's very important. Like I mentioned earlier, I said that tonight. Please, you guys will excuse me for 1 minute. Please start the greeting section while I take this 1 minute off. You can start the greeting section. Okay, I'm here. Yes, our weekend went great. Thank you. Madam Naomi, you are welcome. Everybody, you are welcome. I can see uh, Big Eniola, Big Name Eniola, Esther Worms. You all are welcome. So it's going to be a complimentary reading. We will not focus on only the exam portal. When we see a question challenging, we'll go to the material to read. That is how we're going to do it. We have prayer section by 7, so we'll stop by 6:30 or so that guys can prepare. All right, let's start the sharing. Okay, I think the first thing we should share should be this screen, not the material, so that we can start the exams. So we can start the exams. Yes, it's very big on your portal now. Sorry, on your screen. Let's start reading. Question number 1. Which of the following is not an advantage of program documentation? 1. It helps supervisors determine program purpose. It simplifies program maintenance. It provides information to unfamiliar users. It provides operating instructions to the programmer. The answer is obvious there. So, which one is the answer? If you read it carefully, you will know the answer. If you study it carefully, you will know the answer. Somebody said the answer is C, no. Of course, that is one of. Okay, yes, okay, sorry. Yes, somebody said the answer is C. Yes, let's hear from others. Oda Jeremiah is going for C. What of the rest of you? We have at least 10 people here. So, all right, so many C's. Okay, good. Because it is not the documentation that they release to the users, it is manual, user manual. So it's different from documentation. If you give a user the documentation, it means that you are selling out your product because the user can go and reproduce it using your logic. Now, the most common network topology is Dash. The most common network topology we have. The meaning of topology is the system of arrangement of computer networks to communicate with each other. That is the meaning of topology in computing. So what type of arrangement is the most common? Is it the mesh, the bus, the ring, or the star? Well, each of them they have a meaning, but we don't need to bore you guys because computer is already your way. But you must know about computer, but not this deep sharp. Yes. What's the answer to question two? Okay, some people are going for star. I would have gone for boss anyway, but let's go for star. Now, question number three. A dash purpose computer is one that is designed to solve a restricted class of problems. What kind of computer is that? That solves a restricted class of problems. Question number three. Is it the hybrid one, the digital, the general, or the specific? Also, it's special. Yes. What's the answer? I'm waiting for your answer to question three. I'm waiting for your answer to question three. Question three is B by Oda Jeremiah. Well, it's Jeremiah that is leading you guys today. Oh. That is fine. He said, general. A general purpose computer is one that is designed to solve restricted class. Jeremiah, did you read the question? Restricted, and you are saying general. There are some questions that even if you don't know it, but if you read it very well, the answer will be obvious there. You'll be able to know that this one is most suitable for the answer. So I won't go with that your general. I don't believe the answer is general. I don't at all. Well, some people are already saying the answer is D, special. All right, that is even better. Now, the most common network topology is the dash topology. That question that they asked in multiple choice question just now is repeating itself now in the fill in the blank space. So, what's the answer to question four? You are eminently glorious, Emmanuel. Number four, star, according to Angela. Well, I'm waiting for the rest of it. Let's hear what the answer will be from the rest of you guys. Is it truly star topology? Is the answer really star topology? I think I don't know if that is a direct. Okay. Oh, okay. So yes, I'm waiting for you guys. Answers. I just hope you guys have not forgotten what we did on viruses in the last class. Okay, you guys are actually correct. I think star is the correct one because in the material it says the star shape is the most common in network topology under local area network. If you have gone through that place in your material, you will see that the star shape is the most common. All right, let's move on. Star, we shouldn't waste time on that. Sorry, star. The fifth generation saw the introduction of machine dash. Machine what? Is it machine language, machine learning, machine what? The fifth generation saw the introduction of machine what? What's the correct answer to put there? In the fifth generation of computer. We've done generation of computer in one of the classes we've done recently. That where we talk about first, second, third, fourth, and I think fifth or sixth, and so. So in that fifth generation, something happened. Machine something started. It's not possible. Machine language was the one they used in first generation, and since the third generation, they started using other. They started developing different types of programming languages and the rest of them. So it's not machine language that will be there. Language will not be proper there, because machine language is old model. From third generation, they started with assembly languages and the rest. Sorry, assembly language, and then other type of languages started coming in. But it's not even about language now. Machine what? Okay, somebody said we should use machine intelligence. I don't know if intelligence is correct, but I was even thinking machine learning, but I think that intelligence is even better. So intelligence. Yes, rich movies, you are welcome. Good evening. All right, question number 6 before us. Dash are the series of instructions that enable the computer to perform a task. This one is very simple too. If you have gone through this material a bit, I think this question came out in TMA. What is the series of instructions that enables the computer to perform a task? Those of you that are good in computers, you will know this. Okay, somebody is saying data or that Jeremiah. No, you try, but that is not the answer. My class captain, Grace, is not here. It's only Dora I'm seeing here. It seems Grace used to visit her boyfriend on Sunday. That is why she don't used to come to class on Sunday. Okay, somebody said programs are the series of instructions that enable the computer to perform a task. Okay, I think I'll go with program, but I was actually expecting, I was, you see, yeah, somebody has given me software now. I was actually expecting either that software or algorithm, one of the two, but we'll go with Kemi Samuel. You're welcome. Let's see which one are we going with now. We have 3 programming, we have 2 software. Well, let's wait for more answers before we choose an answer for that question 6. Yes, majority will carry the vote. We have 3-2 now. Programs 2, 3. Software 2. You are eminently good. Okay. Eniola is going for software. Let us see. Okay, I think software has it. Is a proper practice that you start it with capital letter, because it's at the beginning of, you know that if you want to write, normally you start with capital letter, even though it doesn't matter, but just write it like this. If it's at the beginning, try to use writing ethics. Now, the dash method of data processing involves the use of machines such as typewriter. Wow, I love this. We have done that before. Data processing, we've done that topic. I can remember from one of our classes we've done. So you should not have issue here. Like the Ronio machines, adding machines, and the like. Is it mechanical, electronic, computer, or manual? Yes, Madam Joy, you are welcome. Mechanical, thank you. Question 8. A bit is the smallest amount of dash that can be transmitted. Very simple. A bit is the smallest amount of dash that can be transmitted. Amount of what? Question 8. Data. I think that is correct. Thank you. That is Oda Jeremiah. Ah, Dora is giving us information. You guys, is somehow confusing now. Okay, smallest amount of information. All right. Data would have fit into there, but since it's information, no problem. Question 9. Computer programs could be categorized into the following except application programs, utility software, mechanical software, system software. Categories of computer programs. All the above except which one? Yes. Patiently waiting for you guys. Okay, now you see. Okay, question 10. The main memory is also known as the dash memory. The main memory is also known as the dash memory. Yes, what's the answer? Okay, somebody is saying primary, somebody is saying Rome. They are all correct, but I think maybe you should write primary there. Even the Rome is also the okay. Now, each instruction in a machine language program consists of dash, code and syntax, operation code and operand, command and memory, operand and compiler. Yes. Number 11, what's the answer? Okay, somebody said B. Only Sadiq Miriam that is online. Esther Rams is going for A. Okay, let me hold on first. Let's see what you guys will vote for. Yes. Okay, we have so many B's. All right, question 12. The manual data processing operations entail considerable dash, automation, electricity, computation, manual effort. This one is very cheap. Very cheap question. We've done it. 12 is D, manual effort. Thank you. Loctus Works, Symfony, and Framework are examples of dash packages. What kind of packages are they? What kind of packages are they? Okay, 12 is D. No, 13. We're on question 13 now. Network is slowed on your side today. I just need to be patient with you guys. Network is slow on your side. I can't say it's my side now because my own network is now fine. But your responses are very slow. I don't know why. And even the number of people that have liked my video are very low compared to those that are online. All right, so I'm waiting for you guys. Okay, somebody said no idea, somebody said integrated software. Okay, since there is no idea, I think the best option is to go and read. Like I've mentioned earlier, today's class will be complementary. While we are doing this side, we'll be doing that side. So let's check for Loctor's work in the material. Okay, so you guys cannot copy on the exam page now. That is funny. I don't even know that I added that feature. So you can't copy on that exam portal now. That is very funny. Okay, let's go to reading, guys. I will share just material now. We'll do just some short reading. Once you are able to see the course material, let me know. So we'll start reading. Are you guys able to see my course material now? All right, so let's move on. So I think I can take it up a bit more. It says under the generalized software, we have as examples word processing programs, e.g. Word Perfect, WordStar, Microsoft Word. Also, we have desktop publishing. All of them are under generalized software. We have desktop publishing. Example of desktop publishing is Ventura, PageMaker, CorelDRAW. Likewise, we have the spreadsheet program. Under the spreadsheet program, we have the Lotus 123, we have Excel, we have SuperQ. While under the user defined, we have some user defined packages for a particular company or blah 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 blah. So from this, we know that Lotus is under spreadsheet program. Is that not so? Lotus is under spreadsheet program. So is it spreadsheet packages we say now? I don't know. Because this one is asking about packages. And the examples in the question, we have Symfony and framework. So I don't think that is where we are going to. I'm not sure that is. Okay, that is still under spreadsheet. In any case, Lotus is under spreadsheet. Let's check for Symfony and read about the Symfony. Probably that will lead us to the part. Although for now we know that the answer is spreadsheet. These are the packages we are looking for. Okay, Dora, you are correct. Integrated packages. Thank you. You guys can see it clearly now. Under integrated packages, they are. Why is it only Dora that is responding in the class? What is wrong with the rest of us? Are we having some issues? So we have integrated packages. Question 14. When a computer is switched on and running a program, dash is used for purposes such as holding the program and its data. What kind of memory is that? Is it the RAM or the ROM or the CPU or the ALU? Which one is it? You are eminently glorious. Oh, why am I making that mistake? Oh, I used to forget to switch back to once we leave material to the other. Sorry, you will see it soon. What's the answer? We have limited time, oh, so you guys should be fast about it. So Dick Miriam, my screen is showing now. I believe. Okay, we have so many RAM now. Some people are going for RAM. Option C. Is that the option C? Somebody says CPU. Akinyemi CPU ke. You will go with those that chose RAM. An area of a computer that temporarily holds data is called dash. That is the next question. What is the answer to that? The part of your computer that temporarily holds data is called the what? What is it called? Yes, I'm waiting for you guys. Your network is really discouraging. I don't know if it's network or what is really wrong, but your responses are very slow. You guys are distracted. 8323735. Or should we just relax and shift it to the night? I don't want, okay, you guys are not having the exam tomorrow because I don't want anything that will kind of disturb your exam. We will not be taking any midnight thing again during the exam. Anything we want to do, we do it early. So you have time to relax and also prepare yourself. Yes, what's the answer to that question? Question 15. Okay, you guys have been saying RAM. Okay, sorry, I don't know that you've been saying RAM. Okay, application backlog led to the evolution of which generation? First, second, third, oh sorry, third, fifth, second, or fourth generation. Which generation was that? Okay, somebody said fourth generation. Okay, the following are game packages except chess, Scrabble, Sage, Cheat, Chat, or Monopoly. Which one does not look like it? Which one doesn't look like it? D. Thank you. But Monopoly is a game. Oh. There is a game called Monopoly. I hope you guys know. Those of you that used to play money game. But let's not go there. Now, 18. Electronic numerical integrator and computer was built by Dash, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Seymour Cray and IBM, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace, J. Pritzker, Eckert and John V. Macaulay. Okay, Mauley. Which of them is the original? 18. Okay, Sadiq, you've not answered. You just put a full stop there. Chidera is saying that 18 is D. Okay. The primary goal of the operating system is user dash. The primary goal of the operating system is user dash. User what? User what? I'm waiting for 19 now. Okay, user convenience. Okay, user convenience. All right. 20. A modem is required for dash communication. What kind of communication requires a modem? 20. What kind of communication? Good evening, Grace. You are finally back from your boyfriend's house. Thank God. Osinachi, good evening. Temi, good evening. What's the answer to that question? What is the answer to that question? Okay, somebody is suggesting wireless. Well, I don't know if we should go and read about that. If we can read about modem and see if we get anything about modem in the course material. What is the full meaning of modem? Let me ask us. A short classwork. What is the full meaning of modem? Write it in the. I've heard you wireless communication, but what is the full meaning of modem? Modem is a short form of something that start with mo and the one that start with dem. So what is the full meaning? Is an abbreviation modem. Yes. No, what is the full meaning of modem? I want to ask that first. Okay, you guys don't know it. All right, let's go there. Let's share the screen and see. Okay, I think it's visible now. First of all, modem here. The name is a contraction of modular demodulator. That is the full meaning of modem. Modular demodulator. That is what we mean by modem. So please, you guys should note that. That is the first thing. Then the main thing we are here to do is to read about modem so that it's going to tell us. Oh, I think my network is somehow here. That is why I'm not seeing your chat early. Sorry. Okay, we have. What is that question we're trying to answer, sir? A modem required, sorry, is required for dash communication. Okay. Wireless. I'm not even seeing it. The material is too slow. All right. 21. The enter key can be used for the following except like in the MS Word space now, if you press enter, what can happen? Among the listed options, which one is not the function of enter? Is it create a blank space, end an input, execute a command, or move cursor to the next line? Yes, waiting for you guys. Ah, oh, it's like I'll not be going to the material again. I'm always forgetting to return to. Sorry. You will see it now. Sorry. 21 is the okay. 22, the question is there. Which of the following statement is not true? Oh. 22 is D too. Are you saying 22 is D? I want to know. Yes, guys, everything is just standstill. What's really happening today? I'm even tired. I'm exhausted sef from the way the thing is going. It's likely I will stop it now and we'll look for a better time to do it. You are eminently glorious. Okay, 22 is A. All right. Linux, Unix, DOS, and Windows are examples of Dash software. I think this one is cheap. It's very cheap. You should know the type of software it is. We have system software and application software. So what kind of software are they? Okay, system. The internet could be regarded as the largest of all wide area dash. Wide area what? All right, networks. The escape key is pressed to end a PowerPoint slide. This is a true or false question. The question is not complete. There should be true or false at the end. So if you press the escape key, is it going to end a PowerPoint slide? Is it true or false? When you see complete questions like a statement like this, they are actually talking about a question. Okay, somebody say it's true. I will stop you guys now. Let's stop on that 25, please. I apologize. We will reschedule the meeting for two reasons. I need some time to freshen up and refresh myself before you start your fellowship in the evening. And secondly, I'm even exhausted. I'm exhausted, so I'll need to rest. You guys should pardon me. We will surely do this GST103. I'll look for a better way to go about it. Probably the summary. The next time we'll be preparing for it either tonight or tomorrow. Since you're not having exams tomorrow, we will use the summary, not the course material or this what do we call it, exam portal. So we use the summary only, so that we'll be able to cover everything. All the topics we've not touched before, we'll cover them. The ones we've touched, we'll still try to do small revisions. So please pardon me, my eyes, I'm already sleeping even in the class. So let's just say that we are done with this class. But before we are done with it, let's submit and see if what you have been saying is actually correct. So let me go to question 70, then we'll submit. Sorry, Biko. When I no vex. Okay, we failed question one. The answer is, which of the following is not an advantage of program documentation? It provides operating instruction to the programmer. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, and that is true. It is the programmer that is documenting the documentation. So how will that documentation be providing how to operate to the programmer? No. Wow. Okay, the next one we failed is, wow, this is wonderful. This kind of failing used to pain someone. Something you know, but one small thing will make you fail. It's already so annoying. That is one thing with all this verbatim of a thing. The answer is computer software, not your software. Well, in an exam, it's possible if they still use the old logic that they normally use. They may put it that if you write only software there, it should give you half mark. If you write computer software, it should give you your full mark. But I don't know if that logic is still working now. Okay, so that is why you see some of you submit uh, an exam that is over 70. You understand? And you still be saying point something in your result, in your total score. Is because of all those half marks that usually come in if you not write the expected listing. Sage cheat chat. I mentioned it. Monopoly is a game. It's just that people don't know. That is a game. It's a game of those that like learning financial intelligence. It's all about finance management and the rest of them. So Monopoly is a game. So Sage Chit Chat is the one. The name is even funny. So it's one that is not it. And we also failed this question. The enter key can be used for the following except to create a blank space. It can't be used for that. We also failed 22. Which of the following statement is not true? The one that is not true is B, not A. The sound card is an expansion card that does not plug into any slot on the motherboard. That is not possible. So far you are a card, you definitely go into slot on the motherboard. So when you open your computer system, especially those old CPU, you will see the slots, so many of them. So you can expand slot by adding an additional unit. So which one did you fail again? The escape key is pressed to end a PowerPoint slide. Oh my goodness, it's not a true or false, so sorry. I misled you guys. I wasn't sleeping sef. So the answer is show. What you do on PowerPoint is you present a show using slides. You understand? So when you press escape, actually everything closes. So you've ended it. So we stop on that 25 actually. What did you score? It's like the score is getting better. Out of 25, we scored 19. We failed 6. It's getting better. Don't worry. Before the day of the exam itself, we will have brushed it up a bit, and God will help us. Thank you guys for attending. Don't forget, we need to meet by 7. Just even 20 minutes, we are done. Maybe 15, 20 minutes. It's not a long prayer. It's just to make sure that of all the preparation we have been doing, we do not forget God. That is just it. It's not like I want to engage you guys on one long crusade or revival something. It's just a short thing, 15 minutes prayer, we are done. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Let's meet by 7 by God's grace. And if the energy is still there in the night, we may still continue just 103, but with the summary by then, not this type of reading. Bye bye.